We're over here at Stacy Lim's Slim Fitness. I'm Mike. This is Jagvi, and here we are. We're going to go over 4 6-count moves from closed to open using a right-to-right barrel roll and right-to-right tuck turns is part of the combos. So here we are in closed. After a basic, we'll do a release. That's our first 6-count. Second 6-count, so it's right to right, like a handshake hold. I'll bring her along the slot with the 1, 2, turner, 3 and 4, over my head, 5 and 6, right? We'll do that again. I didn't do the footwork here. I should have done the footwork. My bad. So here we go. We're going walk, walk, triple turn, triple step. Ideally, we're on the slot. Ideally. One more time with that right to right barrel roll. We're going, and you notice I'm not facing Jagvi. I'm going to open up so that way it's easier for her to go along the slot. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step. Now I'll bring Jagvi in front. Walk, walk, triple turn, triple step. We'll do it from here. Bringing in front. Walk, walk, triple turn, triple step. I'm not really holding on to Jagvi's fingers. I'm making contact, so I'm not gripping Jagvi's fingers like this. I'm holding on this way, so that way she can rotate her wrists. Good. Walk, walk, triple turn, triple step. Right from here, walk, walk, triple turn, triple step. I maintain skin contact, but I do not grip. So that way she can rotate her wrist. I'll do it from here. Walk, walk, triple step, triple step. We got tape on the floor to keep it in a straight line. I don't turn Jagvi until she's in front of me, and I back up. Now I do the turn. That keeps her in a straight line. You okay? Step, step, triple turn, triple step. Tuck turn is right here. I'm going to push into Jagvi's palms with my fingers. She's going to push back, and that'll open up with a back rock step. Using her arm as a lever, it'll be triple turn, triple step. When I turn her, I turn Jagvi at waist height. Rock, step, triple turn, triple step. So I don't bring it up to her face because that's dangerous for her. Let's do it from here. Rock, step, triple turn, triple step. One more time, right from here. Rock, step, triple turn, triple step. Jagvi is very good about tightening up, so which is good because that makes it easy for me to turn her. If Jagvi went loose, I'm going to ask you to go really loose. Go real loose now. See, it doesn't work. Doesn't work. But when she tightens up, now I can turn her. So the whole combo. Rock, step, triple turn, triple step, 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 triple turn, triple step, bring in front, 2, triple turn, triple step, then tuck, triple. From there, you're just dancing. You could do sugar pushes, go into an 8 with a whip, shoulder twist release, and whip to close. And then we'll do that all over again. They release, barrel with a right to right, bring in front, tuck, and then we're just dancing. Now, one caveat. This combo works best with slow, medium and medium tempos. I don't recommend it for really fast songs because your partner will get really dizzy. It's one turn after the other. And plus, getting your arm over your head gets tricky when the tempo gets faster. All right, before we dance this to music, just a reminder that we have a workshop here. August 21st, that's a Saturday, here at Stacy Lim Slim Fitness. Partners will stay with each other. No rotations. We're going to keep everything safe, keeping the numbers low. Make sure that the quality of instruction is there. So if you'd like to register for this, do it quickly because we're closing up the space. Registration links are in the description, and we'll catch you next time. 4. Me too.